Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
All right. We are definitely live here at Rincon Rocks Radio. We are doing the Trading View trade, 7 p.m. trade tonight. And we come to you at 9:30 a.m. We come to you at 7 p.m. at night. And 7 p.m. is the evening trade. And we're about to take a quick look at that. Look at some of the trades that are here on the nighttime market. And make them a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on here. But we got the market trading heavy. And looks pretty darn good. It was a little volatile today. Up and down, up and down, up and down, but we don't mind a bit. We can make money if it's going up or it's coming down. So we're noticing this green candle. You can see it sneaking its way up there to that blue line. We got a 500. We started with $500. We're up to $940.92. So we saw a realized profit today of $440.92. Now we're back in and we're trading that same one unit, one contract, we call it. And go ahead and let Miss Emma in. Miss Emma's here with us. And we're going to trade that. We started with $500 a couple of hours ago and let it trade up a little bit. It's at $940.92. We are now trading up toward another progressively toward the blue line. We're going to make a little profit right here in a minute. And in the meantime, I am going to play a little background information of some of my training over the years. And then we will be popping in and out with, we have various commercials. Naturally, we have sponsors that allow us to be on the air every day. And we're extremely appreciative of those. One of those sponsors being John Bundy, that does the Morning Fuel podcast. He stopped by this afternoon and we videoed, we took a few moments and put together the Morning Fuel podcast for the radio station, Rincon Rocks Radio. You'll see it in a few days. And we specialize in helping people get where they're trying to go. I mean, if it's their personal credit that needs to be looked at, you need to get your personal credit back on track. I don't know anybody that doesn't need to take a look at their personal credit. If they want to start a business, we can help them get a business started, get their LLC, Duns & Bradstreet, business address, business phone number. Business credit's completely different. Of course, we all know business credit 0 to 100. You can build it quickly. You can build $50, $100, $150,000 in business credit within a year very quickly. Use those credit cards to build your business up and then pay them back and just have amazing purchase options. All right, it looks like we're making some profit right there in the green. I see it's over $15, $20. We're going to let that trade just a minute while we watch this information commercial coming up. My mentor, Robert Schiller, extremely famous Yale professor in economics, one of the Nobel Prize winner for economics, extremely knowledgeable in the world of economics. We just took a little cash right off there. I'm going to go ahead and get back in there and get that profit. We just exited the trade, made a profit. Now we're back in. and we just entered the trade again to make some more profit in a few minutes. We are trading the green candles up. See what we made. We made another, I think we were at 969, so we made a little $25-$30 right there. We're going to continue that trade till we get up to $1,000. Then we're going to raise our units up a little bit, and we're going to show you how to take this $1,000 account and make serious money on it. This after we hear a little background history on myself and Miss Emma, give you some credibility in where we learn to do what we do.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
And we're back. We do have 7 different books published on Amazon having to do with the crypto financing. We also have 3 pillars of wealth books that start with basically examining your credit and moving up from there to your business credit and building the business credit up. Learning the stock market, learning how to trade. We have traded to $500 up today to just about $1,000. So when we get to $1,000, we'll move our unit size up and we'll start making more money per trade. Now currently we're taking the $3, $5, $7, $9, $12 a trade. Not a lot, but we're not risking a lot either. So we're taking a little off the table. We built that $500 in simulated money up to $1,000, and then we'll increase the profitability, and that's a lot of fun. Okay, so we're letting it go up a little higher. It's going to climb on up there for me. When it hits that green line, excuse me, when it hits that green line, it'll be profit, and just about there, you'll see it automatically. There it is. It automatically took a profit, and now we're, let's see, I think we're over $1,000 now. Let's have a look. All right, we're at $9.94, so we're within $6. So let's go ahead and get that $6 covered. We'll go ahead and take a profit here in just a minute. There we go. Once it gets to $1,000, we will increase our profitability, move it from 1,000 up to 5,000 in a very short amount of time. And again, this market has been extremely crazy today, up and down. You can see right here, there's a little gap. This is where the market stopped trading, and this is where the market started trading. It was in a genuine downturn just about all day. It was just falling, and then eventually it did start picking back up, and naturally it's back where we're trading in a normal range right now. So I'm going to pull this over here and take a look at it. Go ahead and get me substantial profitability in the market here. Let's have a look. All right, so what I'm going to do, stretch that out where we can see it. I'm going to make these candlesticks a little bigger where you can see them. There you go. Now, I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to grab this one contract and I'm going to move it to 5 contracts. All right. Within 5 contracts, I'm going to go ahead and get in the game. I'm going to raise the take profit up. Now, let's see what I want to make. I'm going to move it up to where we were trading. We were trading earlier for $3, $7, $12. I've got the take profit set at $200 right now. So when you see this red candle move on up and hit that line, instead of $3, $10, $12, it's going to be $200 at a time. All right. And that will turn green in a minute. It'll go right up here and tag this without fail. Okay. Either that or it might trade down a little bit as the red and then trade back up. But my money's on the fact that it's going to go green. It's going to come up here and tag that. So we'll just keep an eye on it for a second. Got a little information here on one of our our videos. So we'll play that, and then we'll be right back and see if we're ready to cash out at $200.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
And that's what we're trying to say from day one, is we can start you off with the TradingView platform, completely free, give you 30 days of trading time. We can work with you on the Zooms, give you some experience, show you where to get in, where to get out, how to set it up on automatic, what key indicators you're looking for, all those wonderful things. And it costs you absolutely nothing. Pop on the Zoom with us. We generally have between 7 and 10 slots open. And then if one day down the road you do decide to invest a little money, $100, $150, $200 or whatever, you'll know exactly what to expect with your trading platform. Set up your own broker account, put your money in, do your trading like we do, set your take profits and your stop losses, and run from there. So reach out to Emma on the number scrolling across the bottom at any time, 877-587-4540. I'll go ahead and put Emma on for a minute. Emma, talk to us about what they can expect. No volume, Emma. We can't hear you, buddy. Still can't hear you. Still have no mic.
Okay.
There you go. Now we can hear you. There you go.
Okay. All right. Sorry for that technical glitch today. Yeah, we have with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor, we are actually inviting everyone. We have 3 programs that you can join with us. First is our Smart Investing, where in part of it is our crypto trade training every day, every morning and every 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. So you can join the free training on Zoom. And after that, you can decide if you want to get another one-on-one mentorship with Cameron and me, to be assisted by me. And we have 7 day training package, the 30-day and the 90-day training. Also, we have on the financial education program, we have a lot of digital products that can help you. And lastly, our credit mastery program, we are helping people that are aiming to enhance their credit score, fix their credit score, or anyone that wanted to build their business credit or want to set up their new business. We also assist on how to do the registration and any other documents needed. So come and contact me anytime at 877-587-4540. You can comment down on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel and Instagram, and we can reach you back. And you can also go to our website, www.elitecreditinvestmentadvisor.com, and you can go to the contact form and fill out all the information needed, and we're gonna respond to you as soon as we can. So that would be the program that we can assist you every day.
Thank you so much, Emma. I appreciate you. I'm going to find another little information video, and we'll be right back.
If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach, it's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now. Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio. You need to hear this if you're a small business owner looking for big credit opportunities. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors is here to help you secure up to $250,000 in business credit, all without a personal guarantee. Imagine accessing $50,000, $100,000, even $250,000 of credit using just your new EIN number. Yes, it's possible. With our no-doc credit and no business income solutions, you can get the funding you need, regardless of your income documentation. Plus, we'll guide you on how to pay off all your debts within a year. No more sleepless nights worrying about finances. Call us now at 1-877-587-4540 and take the first step towards financial freedom and business success. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, because your business deserves the best chance to thrive. Don't wait, your future starts today.
Elite Consultants has the best possible program within their 3 Pillars of Wealth program. Starting with the AI Dispute Beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm, so you risk none of your own money but use 50K or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And we are back. Let's have a real quick look over here and see how our trade's going. It looks like we're going to need to pull down deep and have a look. It is trading on the downside a little bit, but it's got a green candle up. I'll tell you, we could go 2 ways with this right now and still be good. We could switch directions and let it trade down a little while, or because it's on a little bit of a downtrend. Let's go ahead and try that. Let's go ahead and switch directions. And what we did there, we switched directions. We're going to watch these little numbers right here switch into green. When they switch into green, that's a profit. We're going to let them trade into some profit because we did move our amounts up. We can see that profit come up pretty quick. That's $40, $47. Going to wait till it gets to around $100 here. And then we will grab it right off the table and put it in the bank. So let's see what we got. There's about 40, 50. Grab that. I'm going to go ahead back up here. We're going to get back in there on the downside. So what we're doing, this is called shorting. This is the short sale. So the red travels down. It's called shorting. You can make just as much money trading the down candles as you can the green on the upside. So we're going to let that trade down just a few minutes. It's already trading. It's trending down. Looks like it's trying to go back to the green right there. So if it's going to go green, we're just going to hit the button again and switch and go right back up with it. So we will hit our reversal button, go back the other direction, and we'll try to trend that green up. I'm going to let that sit just a second while it decides how fast it goes up. Every so often you'll get one hung up like that. Now there's the big picture there. You can see the rapid up and down, the volatile day it was over there with the market going up and down like crazy. and you just need to take your time and set your trades in where you want them. Let's go ahead and click the green. We're going to click the blue button for trade. Get in there. We're going to try to trade. Let's go ahead and get in there for maybe 2. Let that trade. There we go. Take that profit off the shelf there. We'll raise it on up to there. There we go. Good enough. So you're noticing this big green candle right there, slowly working its way up. We traded down. We made some money on the red. Now we're making some money on the green going up. And again, you can start this thing over from the beginning. I'll show you how that works. We're going to click this little button right here. We're going to reset the account. We're going to reset the account. We're going to pretend this time that we have traded that account balance 500 or 1,000. We moved it up to 5,000. So we're starting with 5,000. We're going to reset the account. What this does, this allows us to buy quite a few more units. So we can buy up to 50 units. We're going to go ahead and buy 25 units and get in the trade on the green side just as soon as it gives us an indicator. And it looks like it's closing that red gap. It's going to turn green. There, it's going to try to turn green and go up. We're going to give it just a second before we go up. And we're going to take our take profit. And what this take profit will do, since we've got so many units out, that is $200 there. We're going to put it at $500. So we have set it at $500. And you remember a few minutes ago we were trading and we were making $3, $9, $12. Now we've put enough units in there. We're trading 25 units so that when it goes up, and it's traveling very slow because the evening session is always way slower than the day session. But as it gets ready to go up to the blue line and head up to the green right there, what you're seeing in live real-time stock market data is that green candle is going to reach up there, past the blue, start making a profit. These numbers will turn green right here inside the rectangle. And as they make a profit and travel up the length of that square right there to that green line, that will have made $500. So with that in mind, we're going to pop over here, watch a little something from one of our promotionals, and after that, we'll be right back.
Elite Consultants has the best possible.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. And then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more value. valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now, moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single.
And I had to cut into Mike the Credit Guy there, the author and creator of Dispute Beast, our AI software that we use for credit repair, because the green candle was just crossed the line and made $500. So you saw us enter that trade. We started with a $5,000 entry point. We just made $500 on it. And the reason we were able to do that is we were able to move our contract size up from 1, and we entered in with more contracts. So you can make more money. So you can start with as little as $100. It takes at least $100 for one micro E-mini future contract. A good place to start is $1,000. It's a little tough to do with 500, but it is possible. We're going to go ahead and get right back in on the trade again. Set it in there. We set it, and we're going to go ahead and get in here for another 500. So there we go. We got another 500 set. And when that green candle sneaks back up there and tags that green line again, we'll have made $1,000 for the day. The reason I'm bringing that up is I know some people, I'm very, very good friends with more than one person, that makes less than $1,000 a week. And you literally have seen us do it in just under 15 minutes. We've been on air this evening for 27 minutes, and we started this trade less than 10 minutes ago. So you're looking at 10, 15, 20 minutes for $1,000. And true enough, as you increase your risk from $100 to $1,000, $1,000 to $5,000, you may think the risk is going up, but the truth is you can transfer the money out of your trading account at any time with a click of a button and send it back to your bank. So if you get to the point where you've taken that $100, turned it into 5, turned the 500 into 1,000, turn 1,000 into 5,000, turn the 5,000 into 6,000 like we just did, just shoot that 1,000 right off the top, right back to your bank, and then come back tomorrow and take another look at it. So there you go. All right. Well, Emma, I'm going to let you close this out. We've been in there for about 28 minutes, and that's, that's about right. So we'll start again tomorrow at 9:30 a.m.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And again, contact us anytime at 877-587-4540 and be part of our training, be part of our credit mastery program. We give free training, we give free consultation. Just message our Facebook page, comment on our YouTube channel, or call me directly, and I'll be happy to assist you. See you for another live stream tomorrow at 9:30. God bless everyone.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.